This reel aged absolutely hilarious. That's from, I think, last week at Daytona, and then it turns right into this week where the Monster Girl almost got hit by the bikes coming around the track. And no fault on hers at all. Obviously, there should be somebody telling her when she can go, when she can't, and people coming around the final corner. There definitely should have been someone being like, no, there's bikes coming, wait. And really good on her, one, to not be injured, two, that Webb didn't hit her and then fall and crash and get injured or anybody else. And it's just one of those things that this is a horrible look for the people who run Supercross right now. Last week you have people running on the track while it's still racing at Daytona. This week you've got, people, Monster Girl walking across the track because she didn't know bikes were coming, and obviously she probably should have heard it, but there should be someone standing there being like, no, you can't go, or you can go now. But if you want to see her interview, Dirt Shark found her at the end of this. You can see the whole little quote unquote interview, little side questionnaire at the end. And good thing she's fine. Good thing nobody hit her. Nobody fell and got injured. Awesome job for that. But comments below, you guys tell me. Did you like Birmingham? Do you like the whole Deegan drama coming out of it? Are you happy with who won? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Welcome to Sweet Home, Alabama.
Okay, what happened?
Okay, so I was walking. I'd walked that way 2 other times previously in the race. And then I guess what happened was, since I was the last girl, I had to grab the boards. And so I guess between the time that I grabbed the boards, and I guess because, 450, they were going faster, something happened with the time frame, and I didn't make it across. That's all I got.
And then, did you get hit?
I think the bike hit the board. So thankfully I had the board, because I think the board just got me.
Okay.
And then I just dove.
So you're not injured at all?
I'm good.
No bruises, no bumps?
I'm good. I got mud.